Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift your BMW M5 F10. First, ensure you are in a safe, controlled environment, like a dedicated track or a large, empty lot. It's crucial to understand your car's capabilities, especially its powerful engine and rear-wheel drive. Before attempting any drifts, make sure to fully disable all electronic aids, including traction control and dynamic stability control, to allow for full wheel slip. To initiate a drift, approach a corner at a controlled speed, perhaps around 35 miles per hour. As you turn into the corner, give a quick, firm press on the accelerator pedal. This surge of power will overcome the rear tire's grip, causing them to break traction and the car to begin to slide. You can also use a clutch kick or a light tap of the handbrake for a more abrupt entry. Once the car begins to slide, you'll need to quickly countersteer. This means turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide, often by a quarter or half turn. Use the throttle pedal to control the drift angle. More throttle increases the angle, less throttle reduces it. Keep your eyes focused on your exit point, looking through the turn to guide the car. To smoothly exit the drift, gradually ease off the accelerator pedal as you near the end of the turn. Simultaneously, slowly unwind the countersteer, allowing the front wheels to straighten out. The car will naturally want to regain traction. If necessary, a very light and controlled application of the brake pedal can help settle the car and bring it back into a straight line, ready for the next maneuver.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.